A style in Word is a combination of paragraph and font characteristics designed and stored under a unique name. You can apply a style to selected text with a mouse click or two without having to laboriously recreate each formatting feature. Word provides its own set of intrinsic styles that you can use or complement with your own customized styles. Word's predefined styles are available in the Styles list box at the beginning of the formatting toolbar. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will show you the commonly used styles. To view all available styles, you need to hold down the Shift key. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the style box. If you want to view which style has been applied to a portion of text, you need to press Shift plus F1 to change the cursor into a "What's this?" cursor. Then click on the paragraph whose style you want to show. Word displays a call-out box with the style details. Note how the top portion defines the paragraph formatting details and the bottom portion defines the font formatting details. Press the Escape key to hide the box and release the "What's this?" cursor. Word also allows you to create your own style. There are two ways to do this. The easy way is to select a portion of text on which the formatting characteristics have already been applied and then name it as a style. The tedious way is to define everything from scratch in the Style dialog box. To create a style the easy way, you need to select the portion of text to which formatting features have already been applied. Click on the Style box at the beginning of the formatting toolbar. Press the Delete key to delete the current display. Type a new name for the style. Press Enter to store the new style. Your deleting the current style displayed does not actually remove it from the list. It just blanks out the style text box for the new name to be entered. Your new style is now saved under the name defined and you can use it to apply it to any text thereafter. To create a style the tedious way, you select Format, Style from the menu bar. The Style dialog box is displayed with many sections. The Styles section displays a list of all the styles available in the document. The Paragraph Preview section shows a sample of the effect of the selected style on a paragraph. The Character Preview section shows the sample of the font features. The description list details the font and paragraph details. To create a new style, you have to click on the New button. This leads to the New Style dialog box. You type in a name of your choice for the new style in the Name text box. Under Style Type, you need to select the text element to which the style will be applied, paragraph or character. You choose Paragraph. The Based On text box displays the style name of the default style. You can change this by scrolling through the list of styles and choosing another style. As you change your style choice, the preview window will automatically change to show the effect of the selected style. Now you need to click on the Format button to see a list of the various formatting options. As you select a formatting option, an associated dialog box opens to let you define various formatting attributes. Font leads to the Font dialog box and helps you define the character format and spacing for the style. Paragraph leads to the Paragraph dialog box and helps you to define the paragraph formatting features for the style. Tabs leads to the Tabs dialog box and helps you to define the tab settings for the style. Border leads to the Borders and Shading dialog box, which helps to define borders, shading, or shadows to be applied to the styles. Language leads to the Language dialog box and lets you define the language that will be used in the style. This is useful in multilingual documents. Text box or frames leads to the respective dialog box and lets you define the type of text box to be used in the style, its wrapping effect, size, and positioning of the text box. Numbering leads to the Bullets and Numbering dialog box and allows you to define a bulleted list or numbering format for the style. You make your selections as per the style details you want. If you want to use the new style in the current document as well as in any new document, mark the Add to Template checkbox. Click on OK to close the new style dialog box. Click on Apply or press Enter to close the style dialog box. The new style is now stored and ready for use in the current document and to all new documents if you have added it to the template while creating it. This is a good time to know more about styles in documents versus styles in templates. Styles in documents are available for use only within the document in which they were created. Styles in templates are available in the master style list for any new document created using that template. To ensure that a style is available for any new document, you must remember to mark the checkbox against Add to Template while creating or modifying the style. Having created the style, we now need to know how to use a style. To use a style, you need to select the text to which the style is to be applied. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the style box. Use Shift key to view all available styles. Select a style from the list. The style would have got applied to the selected text. Any style that has been created can later be modified or changed. The changes can be applied to the current document or stored for use in all further documents. To modify a style, you need to select Format, Style. In the Style dialog box, select the style to be modified from the Styles list. Click on the Modify button to open the Modify Style dialog box. The selected style name appears in the Name text box. Choose an alternative style from the Based on Style lists. Press Enter to see the preview. Click on the Format button to choose the formatting option. Select the one you want and finish editing the style. Mark the Add to Template checkbox if you want to use the style in new documents as well. Press Enter or click on OK to confirm the changes and close the Modify Style dialog box. Click on Apply to close the Style dialog box. The most common use of styles is seen while defining headings in a document. In all, Word has 9 different heading styles, numbered 1 to 9, that you can use to format various levels of headings. To apply a heading style, you need to select the heading text to which the heading style is to be applied. Hold down the Shift key. Click on the drop-down arrow against the Style text box in the Formatting toolbar. Scroll through the list till you reach the Heading Styles portion. Select the heading style you want to apply from the list of heading styles numbered 1 to 9. The heading style would have got applied. Like the paragraph style, you can also modify heading styles. Select the heading style of the text to which it has been applied. Select Format, Style. The selected heading number name will be displayed in the Style text box. Click on Modify to access the formatting options. Make the changes and click on OK to close the Modify Style box. Click on Apply to confirm the changes to the heading style. A Word template is a special document that contains styles and other design elements that have been formatted to provide the same layout every time you use it. An example is the template, Elegant Letter. No matter how many times you open the Elegant Letter template, it looks the same and receives the variable information in exactly the same position. Templates are special Word files that are saved under the .dot file format. You can open a template file and then save it with all the variable information as a .doc file. In this way, the new letters keep getting generated and are essentially created from the same old template file which remains intact. Templates can contain styles, macros, auto text entries, toolbar buttons, graphics, customized menus, and shortcut key settings. Word comes with a variety of predefined templates for memos, reports, business letters, and also a personal resume. You can either use them in their original form or customize them to suit your particular needs. In addition to the variety of templates, Word also allows you to produce customized templates through the template wizard. By default, all new documents and all newly created templates are usually based on the normal ... template. All template files with ... extension are stored in a separate folder to avoid accidental deletion. The new blank document icon on the standard toolbar always creates a new document based on the normal ... template. Let us use the example of using a professional memo template. To choose a template for a new document, you need to select File, New. Select the required tab. We select the Memo tab. Select the required template. We select the Professional Memo template. The preview window on the right shows you a sample of the selected template. Click on OK. A new document opens out onto the screen based on the selected templates. Since we chose the Professional Memo template, the view shows a business-like memo structure. Word has a variety of other templates for you to choose from. When you select it, you can see its preview on the right. The Letters and Faxes tab offers a variety of correspondence-based templates and wizards. The Memos tab, which we used, offers other memo templates and a memo wizard. The Other Documents tab offers personal resumes templates and access to more templates and wizards. The Web Pages tab offers web-based templates and a wizard. The Reports tab offers various types of report formats. The Legal Pleadings tab offers a variety of legal documentation-based templates. The Publications tab offers templates for manuals, brochures and other publication layouts. As you may have noticed, a number of these tabs have wizards. These wizards help you to create a new template in a stepwise manner. It uses a basic layout template for that category and allows you to make changes based on various options. The wizard dialog boxes progress in a stepwise manner, with each step asking you for some information regarding the basic template contents. Once the wizard creates the document based on the template, you can do one of two things: save this format as a new template, ... and or fill in the portions that are variable pieces of information and then save it as a .doc file. Here is a stepwise view of how the memo wizard is used. We have made choices based on what we wanted. This is the first step of the memo wizard. This is the second step. This is the third step. This is the fourth step. This is the fifth step. This is the sixth step. Finally, this memo layout is ready through the wizard. We can now save it as a new template, or fill in the variable pieces of information and save it as a regular Word .doc file. Word allows you to create your own template. This implies that you can save any document also as a template. To create your own template, you need to first create a document with all the formatting features applied. It can include graphics, styles, headers, footers, etc. Then click on the Save icon to save the file. In the Save As dialog box, type in a file name in the File Name text box. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Save As Type. Select Document Templates. The location of the file in the Look In box automatically changes to the Templates folder. Click on the Save button. Finally, close the file by clicking on the X button or selecting File, Close. You can now use this template in future to create documents based on this template.